Hello everyone, welcome to ChamiViews. This is our 43rd video of our GoLang series. In this video, we are going to discuss about the mutex, right? Uh, in the previous video, we have discussed about the atomic counters, right? In that video, we already have discussed about the race condition as well, right? If you haven't watched those things, please look into that because those concepts are very important when we are learning about the mutex, right? Uh, I will quickly go through this code, right, to understand today's topic, right? If you want more details, please look into my previous video. Okay, in this video, I have created the uh, atomic variable, and then I have started 50 go routines, right? Uh, and then inside the 50 go routine, I want to increment this OPS atomic counter value by 1, and then finally I got the answer, right? Finally I can get the 50,000 as the answer. Hope you, if you have watched my previous video, right? Initially I have created the some integer variable, right? And then inside this go routine I have increment that value, right? And then I have tried to print the value, and what is the answer we got? Some different value around 26,000, 25,000, 27,000, likewise, right? Uh, why we got this kind of numbers? Because of the race conditions, right? How we can check whether there is an race condition happening or not? We can use terminal, right? Go run, and then we want to use the race flag, and then we want to mention the file name. My file name is the main.go, right? All the things we already have discussed, right? In here, using this command, we can see if there is a race condition happen, right? Okay, in here you can see that. Because of that, we can't get the 50,000 value. To avoid the race condition, we already have discussed about, we have used the atomic counters, right? And also we can use the mutex as well, right? Using the mutex also, we can avoid the race condition, right? Today we are going to discuss about that. Okay, initially we want to create the variable using the sync.mutex, right? And then before we are doing some modifications to our variable, we want to lock that variable, right? How we can lock that one? Using the mu.lock, right? In this variable have some value, we are calling that function mu.lock, right? Using this lock operation, we can lock this variable, and then any other threads can't access that value, right? After doing the increment, I can unlock that variable, and then another go routines can access this number variable, right? Okay, then we will see what is the output there. In here you can see we got the 50,000 as an answer, right? Hope you clear this thing, right? These are very simple things. Using the mutex, we can avoid the race condition, right? We will see there is a race condition or not using this command. In here you can see there is no any race condition happening because we got the 50,000 as an answer and there is no any phone in there. Um, if you have any questions, please put those things to the comment section. If you learn new things, please share these things with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel. We will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye.